Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from your Phantom wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a pro, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step to help you avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed and updated on your device. Open the app and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and select Litecoin from your wallet holdings. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send button, usually found on the Litecoin page or in a menu. Before proceeding, you'll need the correct deposit address from Crypto.com. Switch over to your Crypto.com app, go to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always double-check that it's specifically for Litecoin to prevent any errors or lost funds. Now, head back to Phantom Wallet. Paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the estimated network fees. Leave enough in your wallet to cover them, as fees can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Before you confirm, take a moment to review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're sure, hit the Send button and approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. This adds an extra layer of protection. After sending, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to several hours to process, depending on the network. Once it shows up in your Crypto.com account, you're all set. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always prioritize security and double-check details. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Litecoin from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.